Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how to get the page ID or whatever it is that you will be finding it in the URL. So basically what you have to do now is please make sure that you are on this dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin, and from there this page will be open for you just like that. Here you have to put your username and then password, so it will be something like that, and then click on login. So after that this page will be open for you. What you have to do is go to pages and let's create a new page. Let's make it something like tutorial 3, and let's put something in here. Here we can edit all this, publish or preview, whatever you want. Here you can add images. Here you can add some fields. We can add, for example, categories and very more details. So let's click on first on publish, and as you can see, the ID of your website or this page, it is very simple to find. It's not really that difficult. It's already written for you in this permalink, which is the domain name of your website / tutorial 3. This tutorial 3 that I have in here is the ID of my page. So for example, if you wanted to edit it or remove it or change it, you can click on edit and make it, for example, anything you want. For example, couple numbers. Click on OK, and here we go. Of course, if you click on it, it didn't change because I didn't click on update. So let's go back. Here, click on update from here, and now after I click, it will be changed for me. So yeah guys, that's how you can find page by ID and how you can change your ID of the page. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.